Hello, grade 4. Now we will talk about the human digestive system, which digest and absorb the food. Before beginning, we should know that the digestion process or breaking down the food. We eat a complex food or a big food like apple, pizza, or any example of food. This food, to can benefit from this food, we need to break the food into a simple form. We need to break or change the food into a simple form to let body benefits from them. This process called digestion process. So, digestion process, it is a process of changing or breaking down food from a complex form into a simple form to let body benefit from them. This process is very complicated, so it occurs in a group of organs. This group of organs called digestive system. Let's identify these organs first. After that, we identify the function of each organ. The digestive system is made up of digestive canal. It's a long tube or a long pipe. The food moves inside it. It's only the food moves or travels in your body through it. This is called digestive canal. Digestive canal. And digestive canal supplementers or digestive canal helpers. Digestive canal supplementers or helpers. The food doesn't move inside it, but it supply or help in the digestion process. It produces juices, help in breaking the food. We will explain that after that in details. You should know now what the digestive system made up of. Digestive canal, it's a long tube. Start with the mouth opening. And ends with the anus opening, which we make the solid toilet from it. Yep, the digestive canal start with the mouth, ends with the anus. The digestive canal is what? Mouth, repeat with me. Mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Digestive canal, mouth, stomach, pharynx, small intestine, esophagus, and large intestine. Digestive canal supplementers or digestive canal helpers, there are three only: salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. You should know that most organs of digestive system lies or locate in abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity means your tummy. Your tummy is abdominal cavity. Most organs of digestive system in the abdominal cavity. Okay, this is the human digestive system. First, the digestive canal. Start with the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. The ending part of the large intestine, this piece called rectum. The opening called anus. It means the digestive canal, food moves through it. Start with the mouth, the food enter the body, then travel to the pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and the waste get out from your body through as a solid waste through anus opening. The digestive canal supplementers or helpers are salivary glands. This is the salivary glands. This is the salivary glands. And liver and pancreas Let's identify that digestive canal is a long tube, consists of or made up of a group of organs in the shape of a long pipe. It's about 9 to 10 meters. It's a long, but it coils inside your body. It's a coil inside your body. The digestive canal starts with the mouth opening, ends with the anus opening. Let's start know the function of each organ. First organ in the digestive system is the mouth. Your mouth consists of what? Consists of teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Let's identify first the teeth. You have different types of teeth. In adult, like your mom and your dad, you are not adults. In the adults, the number of teeth is 32. The number of teeth is 32. These 32 teeth divided into two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Upper jaw and lower jaw. Okay, يبقى the teeth divided into two jaws. Each jaw contains 32 divided by 2 equal 16. يبقى each jaw contains 16 teeth. طب there are different types of these teeth. First, the in front teeth, it's a small teeth called incisors. From the scissors. This called incisors. From the scissors. How many incisors? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 incisors in each jaw. This incisor, we do what by it? Cutting food. We do what? Cutting food and tear the food into a small pieces. Besides these incisors, there is a canine, 2 canine, 1 canine, second canine. The canines in some animals it's very long to can cut and tear the food very well. Also there are in each jaw 2 canine to cut and tear food into small pieces. It means that incisors and canine cut and tear food into a small pieces. 4 incisors, 2 canine. We have 4 in each jaw. 4 incisors, 2 canines. And there are big and flat teeth in the end of your mouth. This teeth called molars. In adult, there are 10 molars in each jaw. We do what by molars? Grind food. We do what? Grind food. Why we grind the food? To can swallow it. We can swallow the food. So the teeth in adults is 32. There are 32 teeth in adults, divided into 2 jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. Each jaw consists of 4 incisors, 2 canine, 10 molars. Incisors and canine cut and tear food into small pieces. 10 molars grind food to make it easy swallowing. You should notice that in kids or in childhood, there are only 20 there are only 20 teeth. These teeth called milky teeth, divided into 10 in each jaw. Each jaw contains 4 incisors, 2 canine, and 4 molars and 4 molars. These teeth replaced before age of 12 by a strong one. Replaced before age of 12 by the strong one. The second part in the mouth is a tongue. Tongue. You can do what by tongue? Your tongue tastes food. So it's responsible for tasting food. Tongue tastes food. Tongue tastes food. Also, it do what also? Turns food inside mouth or moves food inside mouth. يبقى tongue turns or moves food inside mouth. Inside your mouth there is a liquid. Your mouth dry or wet? It's a wet. Why? Because there is a liquid like a water. It's not water. This liquid called saliva. This saliva comes from salivary glands. The saliva or this liquid do what? Mixes with the food to make it easy swallowing. So the tongue mix food with the saliva to help in swallowing the food. So the function of tongue, there are 3 functions. First, mixes food with saliva, tastes food, and turns food inside mouth. Let's talk about the salivary glands. Salivary glands, it's from the excellent digestive canal supplementers or digestive canal helpers. These salivary glands help in the digestion of food or help in breaking down food. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands. These salivary glands do what? Produce or secretes or makes saliva. Salivary glands secrete, produce, makes saliva liquid. The liquid inside your mouth. What's important of these liquids? These liquids help in the digestion of food by substance called digestive enzyme. What is the digestive enzyme? It is a substance or digestive substance digest or break the food from a complex form into a simple form or change the food into a simple form. It means that the digestive enzyme, it is a digestive substance that digests food and convert it into a simple substance or into a simple form. For example, first enzyme we will study it is a saliva contained digestive enzyme. This digestive enzyme do what? Changes starch into sugar. Changes starch into a sugar. What is the starch? Do you remember the food groups? The food divided into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamin and minerals. Carbohydrates contain starch. Carbohydrates like bread. You noted that if you chew the piece of bread only, after some times it disappears inside your mouth and you feel or you taste a sweety taste. Why? Because this bread contains starch which changed into a sugar. It means the digestion of starch occurs or happens in the mouth by saliva, which produced or secreted by salivary glands. Let's sum up that. It means that there are 3 pairs of salivary glands which produce saliva, which produce saliva. The saliva contains liquid, contains digestive enzyme. Saliva is a liquid, contains digestive enzyme. طب what is the digestive enzyme? It is a digestive substance change the food into a simple form. It is a digestive substance change the food into a simple form. The simple form inside your body is a sugar. So saliva changes starch into sugar. Saliva changes starch into sugar inside the mouth. Okay? Thank you. Try to answer worksheet 1. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.